sure. I was just gonna do something after I was gonna do, oh, SOS.
Is there a lot of noise going on? The music stopped. Does that make you sad? Can you make anything else go off?
I just saw something in the doorway.
Did you? You're keeping your distance now?
Are you affecting our friend over here? Are you making his side hurt? I don't give you permission to do that. He doesn't give you permission to do that either. You're not allowed to hurt us. Can you light up one of our devices if you'd like to hear some music?
I can start to play the piano again.
Divide.
Divided. Do you feel there's too much going on? People.
There are a lot of people here.
Divided people. We're in different rooms, that's right.
One of the lights on the tripwire went off again.
Are you trying to run between two? Is there not that many people here?
Okay, hold on. Something keeps trying to come up in the doorway.
Can you show yourself in the doorway again?
If you need some energy, feel free to suck any of the energy from these batteries that are in this room. We've got batteries in all these devices. You're welcome to use it. Do you have a message that you want us to tell someone?
This is the first time for me to see Annapolis. You want to show off with that a little bit more for me?